Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still, just like the euro yen, I think it's the end of a wave 3. I think that we are likely in a wave 4 right now, which I think the 50% is a good target for that, before it makes another attempt on the uptrend for the wave 5. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, to me, this looks very clearly to be a wave A. I think we are very clearly right now in an ABC of B. I don't think the wave B is over yet, and eventually I do think it is going to go down probably to at least the 178.29 area for the wave C of wave 4. You have to keep in mind that this is a weekly monthly time frame pattern, which means that it's going to take a very, very, very long time to play out. So let's take it down to the daily. On the daily, I think this is the A right here. I think this is an ABC of B, and I still am not really convinced it's over. I still think the 138, 123 is the more likely target for this move to be over and for it to actually go down for the bigger wave C. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still up. The structure level for me to confirm the trend is not up is still right here. So if price goes down and breaks that structure and holds below that structure, I'll be happy to start looking for shorts at pullbacks. But as of right now, I'm doing nothing but looking for longs. I would be looking to go long at the end of every single one of these pullbacks I see until the roadmap timeframes tell me otherwise. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Definitely looks like we got 5 waves right here, doesn't it? One, two, three, four, 5 waves. Often when you see 5 waves like that, you would expect to see a crescent to those 5 waves, like something like this. And then maybe later on, the continuation of the uptrend. So it might be pretty likely that we're going to make an ABC crescent to the last 5 waves up. And then later on continue back up towards those higher Fibonacci extension levels that I was just showing you. But really, I mean, even the 1 hour time frame doesn't have a break of structure, so I personally wouldn't be trying to go short because there is, even on the 1 hour time frame, there's no breakdown. I mean, this could easily just do something like this and just keep on trending up. So for me personally, because I do not trade below the 1 hour time frame, I only trade on the higher time frames. I am definitely still only looking for logs, and I'm only looking to go long at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.